Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Ripple and XRP. So with that being said, let's just dive in and let's talk about a few things. So first off, you love to see XRP on the #1 spot for the trending list. You also love to see XRP at the top of the list for the 7-day price movement. It is something remarkable. If you guys are enjoying the price action on XRP, definitely hit that like button, and also comment down below XRP to the moon. XRP has been truly shining the best in the last 24-hour span. We are up about 9.11%. The overall volume on XRP on the 24-hour span has been diminishing a little bit. We will take a look. The biggest momentum move for XRP would be a smash through the 50-day EMA, or the 50-weekly EMA, sorry, which is up at this orange line here at about 56 cents. We really want to break through that. Obviously, you can see that we kind of hit a little bit of resistance at the 200 weekly EMA as well. This is great to see. I personally love to see the moves here, but we need to have a lot more volume in to push it through here. But what I like to see on the weekly is the volume increasing down here. On the daily, I don't know if we are seeing that. So yeah, right now on the daily, we are seeing, some negative volume as the RSI is coming back down to cool off. I think that this is welcoming. To me personally, on the daily, I'd like to see that the 200 daily EMA is actually being a support zone currently. I would love to see that hold. That is at about 47 cents. I would like to see, the price cool down slightly, build out a floor, and then continue higher. The next major targets that we will look at on the fib level here would be about 61 plus cents. I think that this is awesome. I mean, me personally, when we looked at XRP just recently during my live streams, the one thing that I was adamant about mentioning is the fact that, for the longest time, everyone has talked down on XRP. The biggest thing to happen and to shut everyone up would be XRP being the only one breaking out of new all-time highs during a bear market. That would be crazy to see. We know that XRP is the last to move usually within the market cycle. So for XRP to be like a first mover would also be pretty cool to see as well. On the Bitcoin dominance, or on the Bitcoin price chart, sorry, for XRP, we are also seeing a little bit of topping out sort of base on the 200 weekly EMA as well at this blue line. It's about 2,648 sats. We really want to see a break above this, and I'm not talking about like a break how we seen back here. No, I'm talking about like an actual breakout event here where we start to build out a nice little floor model above it. We've seen this going back to 2017 and 2018, as you guys do see. This is like May of 2017, 2018. We kind of bottomed out with this like scam wick here, which was insane. But this was during the December run on XRP where it started to break out to new all-time highs. You do see, that major breakout event above the 200 weekly EMA. This could be pretty big if we can get that. We have not traded above that for a very long time. We had a few wicks back in May of 2021. This is around like that April high of like $2. We have not been trading above this since going all the way back to 2019. So this would be historical if we could break above this, build out a floor, and then continue higher. I haven't looked at this fib level. I don't know if this is, so this is on the log scale. Let me check out the non-log scale. So this is what we would love to see, is a break above almost 6,000 sats on the XRP Bitcoin price chart. During this time, the USD chart for XRP would actually be pretty, bullish. That would be us going to possibly a new outreach on the USD chart, which would be above the 61 cent zone. It would honestly probably be a retest of the $2 price move going all the way back to April anyways. But we want to see a clear breakout here. I know that recently we have broken out, but now we are hitting some walls up here. So we need to smash through them and have the momentum continue. So bulls, you should definitely be showing up right now to welcome in this next major price move above these resistance zones, because this is what we need. We need a break like we did see back during January of 2021, where we did break out of all EMAs and then we continued higher to that $2 range. That's what we are watching right now. Now also, we just seen a massive update from the SEC, actually. Shout out to James K. Fallon for this, but we do see the XRP community, XRP, 1 out of 3. Here's the SEC's argument, as I interpret it. We aren't saying XRP is a security per se. Yeah, that's exactly what they were trying to say here. What we are saying is that any purchase of XRP as a matter of economic reality is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. Whether it's through horizontal commonality or strict vertical commonality, it is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. So while XRP may not be a security per se, there's no other possible way to offer or sell XRP except as a security. And then down here, and when you realize what the SEC is saying, no matter how it is framed, the judgment that the SEC wants is one that incorporates secondary sales. See the screenshot below where the SEC uses the words a purchase and all units. And here you guys have it. First, the undisputed facts show that as a matter of economic reality, a purchase of XRP is an investment in a common enterprise with other XRP holders and with Ripple. All units of XRP are fungible with each other, and the price of all units of XRP rise or fall equally. Moreover, starting. And this is just comical. First off, it is a terrible argument. We do see down here like XRP crypto wealth. That's a terrible argument by the SEC because absolutely no one bought XRP thinking they were entering an investment contract with Ripple. No one did. No one did. It's a laughable joke at this point. The SEC wants to set a strong precedent in the Ripple lawsuit and make it easier to go after all other crypto. 100%. That is their end goal here. And we also do see JV the Great. But Mr. Fallon, is that how securities are sold? Have securities ever been sold in the manner of the SEC is trying to argue? That argument seems weak because exchanges are selling XRP with no contract with Ripple for them to put in efforts to raise its value. We're buying off of exchanges with no contract with Ripple. We're buying to exchange value and in hopes for adoption of the XRP ledger. 100%. When you invest in Ethereum, are you investing into consensus? I mean, are you investing into the Ethereum Alliance? This is the problem, right? We have no clear guidance at all, and here they are trying to do a 180 turnaround, say XRP essentially isn't a security, but the investment environment is. It's a laughable argument. If I was the judge, I would 100% shut this down. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Now, also, I do want to share with you guys something really quick, and that is the overall adoption cycle for crypto from the institutional grade area. We do see over here, OK Exchange. Loved being at DAS NYC. Shout out to Blockworks for bringing together industry leaders from the finance and digital assets world to discuss crypto's institutional adoption. Now, what I'm seeing around this space, first off, what Blockworks has been doing is great. They are bringing in all the traditional financial players to talk about the future of crypto, which I think is awesome for the overall evolution of what crypto could essentially morph into. But also, we did see a lot more institutional grade area focus for crypto. We do see over here Singapore's largest bank, DBS, is expanding its crypto trading services to 100,000 plus more clients. This is pretty large. And the funny thing about this is that this is just one of many largest banks that are a part of crypto. We have been seeing a large portion of these banks jumping into specific assets and specific networks like DBS. I know that they're working with some other major names, but they, for the most part, have a massive partnership with Hedera, actually, which we kind of speculated on if that is going to be tokenization or not. But we also do see over here that there's going to be a ton of major institutional grade clients talking at the DASL or DAS London discussion around the evolution of crypto. We do see a few of them: Avi, Valkyrie, Morgan Stanley, Binance, Blockdaemon, Lucca, and there's a few other ones like the London Stock Exchange, State Street Digital, Blockstream, QCP, BNP Paribas, FTX. There's so many major names on here, and it is going to continue to expand. But also, this is going to be taking place in London on October 17th to the 18th. There's going to be so many major names here, and I'm so excited for this. I don't know if Ripple is going to be brought up or not, but I'm sure that there's going to be a lot of discussions around cross-border payments and stuff like that. And you can see some of the major names that are going to be, attending this. There's over 100 plus colleagues from the institutional financial space. JP Morgan, for example. We do see Citi, Morgan Creek, BNY Mellon. There's so many massive names that are, tied to this event. And I'm very excited for this. There's so many other like media attentions here, sponsors, stuff like that. I think Algorand is actually one of the main sponsors. At some point in time, I've seen them on this list. I don't know if it was this list or the NYC one, but there is a ton of names that are going to be discussing a lot of things around crypto at this event. I definitely think that everyone should stay tuned to this. Institutional grade adoption is going to continue to flood into crypto, and I'm very excited for this. What Blockworks has put together is something special, and I do think that when we are looking at the adoption cycle from some of these major banks, it's only going to grow more and more, right? Like, remember the Travelex Bank announcement with Ripple? This was a historical moment in time for Ripple, but also for crypto, because not only does it show you where we are essentially at within this market, but it shows you how many major names will be, really kind of moving over and transitioning from like the traditional financial markets to the DeFi markets. And also, when you look at some of the announcements from Ripple themselves, it really kind of plays into the idea of mass adoption of crypto around this specific sector. So I'm very excited for the future of this market to really kind of morph into reality, but also I'm excited for a lot of these events that do bring up some major discussions around what crypto is essentially morphing into. And I think that a lot of these names will play perfectly into just that, because a lot of this is talking about like institutional sales and trading, emerging technology, digital asset markets. I mean, it's going to be an event that I think everyone should stay tuned to. And also, it is in London. Remember what I've been telling you guys about London, right? London is going to be a major opportunity for crypto. They're continuing to focus on crypto. They want to be a global hub for crypto, and they want to be ahead of the curve. And it definitely is one that I have been watching for, with a lot of announcements from London with Quant as well. And, while the U.S. is continuing to drag their feet, these major areas are expanding rapidly. So stay tuned for this event, October 17th through the 18th. And with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on if you guys have more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As is up to you all. Have a beautiful day. Wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out.